Hey, how's it going out there? It's Jonathan Glazer coming at you with another video. We're going to be focusing on 3 ways to promote the Builderall platform on YouTube. So, this is a very powerful way to get passive leads to your sales system using the Builderall platform, Builderall business platform. Um, and these videos will work for you 24/7. They're going to bring leads, and those leads are going to convert to sales. Um, so what you're going to need is the software screen captures video screen capture software, Screencast-O-Matic, John Camtasia, and also a smartphone or a camera. And I'm going to explain why in just a second. So it's very simple. There's 3 methods that work the best for me. This is my most effective method, which is to do tutorials on each of Builderall's features. So, do a tutorial on page builders, how to set up a simple sales funnel, or anything that you're doing. If you do personal websites, if you do blogs, whatever it is you're good at, do tutorials on that, because there's people out there that are looking for training and tutorials on how to do that, and they're going to see your tutorials, they're going to see what you're doing, they're going to see the software you're using, and they're going to see just how simple it really is. They're going to get want to know what you're using, and when you set it up right, they're going to click on the link and they're going to be directed to the sales funnel that you use. And there's going to be more on that in other videos, so don't worry about that. Especially if you're new to YouTube, I have a guide that you can access for free. I'm going to leave that in the description below. As well as at the end of this video, I'm going to have a playlist that will appear that you can go and learn some YouTube, how to create YouTube videos, rank them, what to say, and how to optimize that. So I have a separate series that I have on this channel that you can access. That's going to teach you all that. So don't freak out. This is just what to make your videos about. So moving on. I just wanted to get that out of the way. So you will do just tutorials, simple tutorials. You can use mine as example. You can type in Builderall page builder, and you can kind of just watch someone, a leader in Builderall, build funnels or do whatever. Use the mailing boss feature. The design studios make videos. I'm using the presentation feature in the design studio to do this video. You can also use the apps and tools. So get really good with all of Builderall's features. Get to know them very well, and then you do simple training tutorials just like this, showing how to use the actual features, and it will do very well. So provide value and help people, and then they will be more inclined to like, know, and trust you, because they see you're using it, they see you know what you're doing, and you're not just out for a quick buck. So that will be method number 1. So method number 2, it will be testimonial videos. So just talk, use your smartphone, your camera feature. Make sure you have it horizontal, and just talk for 3 to 5 minutes about why you joined Builderall. Talk about the results you're getting. Talk about the services, why you like them, which one's your favorite. And then talk about the support and training. And then then after that, you can leave a call to action saying, hey, if you want to learn more about Builderall services, click the link in the description. If you want to learn more about the training, click the link in the services. You'll have access to multiple funnels. Once you join the Builderall business platform, you'll have multiple funnels that will give training to people, show them how to use the platform as well, so you can always direct them to that. And just say what you were using before and say, it's much easier. It provides this and this and this, for this and this and this, for what I do and this, and people are going to say, oh, okay, and they're going to want to click the link, and they're going to go through the provided sales funnel that Builderall provides. So it doesn't have to be super long. It's just just be simple. Keep it simple. Pretend like you're just talking to a friend, sitting down over a cup of coffee, or a beer or tea or whatever, whatever you would do with your friend, playing golf, playing pool. Just keep it casual. So and again, I have videos on that you will be able to kind of help you get a grasp of how to do that. So that was method number 2, and then we'll just move on to the final method. I'll give you a quick tour of the Builderall back office, and then you can be on your way. So method 3 is training videos. Just show people how you're getting results with Builderall. So this one will obviously be once you join the Builderall platform, if you haven't already joined the Builderall business platform, then you're going to show people what you're doing. It doesn't have to be exactly promoting Builderall. You can show people how you're getting results. Say you're in CPA, how you're getting all these CPA conversions. Show them the landing page you create. There's a guy out there who's done that. He made $10,000 in a month, and he just simply goes through the whole process of what he did. He built a simple landing page, and then he just targets the right traffic, draws it to it, and it does he shows everyone how he does that, and people eat it up. They love it, and they see how easy Builderall platform is, how many purposes it has. So, and you just keep doing that, just keep showing people how you're getting results, what you're doing. You build blogs, so you're out there, you're building blogs, and you're getting results. You're getting tons of traffic to your blogs. You're getting leads and sales from the blog you built with Builderall. So, you get the point there. So that's it. That's my 3 simple methods to promote Builderall on YouTube. We'll check out the back office of the Builderall. If you haven't checked it out yet, so I have tutorials that I'll also put on the end of this video too, that's going to show you how to use these features. So I'm just going to go over them real quick. So here is the page builder. As you can see, there's 4 different kinds. So you have the regular drag and drop responsive builder that that works for mobile and desktop. The perfect pixel, this one's the easiest one to use, and you can edit for tablets, you can edit for mobile, and you can edit for desktop. And then you also have just a mobile only, and then a responsive blog builder. And all these have thousands of templates specific for each niche. You have JV Zoo, weight loss, finance, health, beauty. I mean, there's pretty much any industry out there you can think of. There's going to be a template for it, so you just can build around it, customize it to your likings. And again, I'm not going to get into that. I have other videos for that, and they will appear right after the end of this video. The next is an app creator. That's pretty much self-explanatory. You can create your own app. So if you have your own personal business, you can create an app for it. You upload it to Google Play, and you can get traffic that way and leads that way. It's very powerful. I'm just starting to get into that realm, so I will have more videos coming out soon once I am fluent with that. And then Mailing Boss, this is the email responder, similar to Aweber, GetResponse, but you will start out with 10,000 on the main Builderall platform, because there's a few different pricing levels that you're going to get with Builderall. I recommend you go with the Builderall business platform because that has the most benefits, and you get to make 100% commissions and 30% residual income, which is really great, you know. So, and they also have promotions. You'll be able to win a car, and all that detail is going to be on this page here. So, in the design studio, that's what I was using. Presentation builder, that's what I was using for this video. Design studio creates like ebook covers and graphics you can use for thumbnails or social media posts. And then the photo studio is just fairly new. You can edit photos in there. It works just like any web-based photo studio, like PicMonkey. You can even make transparent backgrounds, and you'll find all the tutorials on that down here. And then there's video animated video maker, makes animated videos like you would see on your Facebook feeds. It makes simple cartoon animation videos. And then you have special training here. And if you're a Builderall business partner, you will get to promote these and make commissions off of them. Some of them pay out really nicely. And then here you're going to have some training. So you have the 30-day business builder, and then you have the main Builderall business section, and this is where you're going to get access once you become a Builderall business partner, and you're going to get access to resources, and then it's going to show you your leads, all your leads, and you will be able to build a team. As you can see, let's see right here. So you're gonna be able to build a team here. This is gonna show you your active leads, who's in there. And then you have your earnings, and then this is where you're going to get all your links. So this is where all your links are going to be. I'm going to show you those real quick. So you'll have this a viral sales machine that converts nicely. There's a funnel for your business, so you can promote the business, and all these here are highly convert very well. They're high converting sales funnels, so you'll get access to all that. And again, using the three methods I just showed you, and then my YouTube training, you're gonna be do the work once. You're gonna be keep those leads rolling in, and they're gonna switch over to sales and convert sales and team members as well. And then their team members are going to come here, and they're going to access the training inside here. There's also Facebook groups. I mean, you have tons and tons of support with Builderall. Builderall wants you to succeed, and so they're doing everything they can to help you. And you just make those videos I showed you, and you just stay consistent with it. So this went longer than I wanted to. I kind of rambled off there. But I hope you see the value in this. If you do, be sure to click the link below and join my team, and also snag the YouTube training that I have left below as well. So, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any questions or any suggestions on training topics or anything I should cover. So have an awesome day, and talk to you soon.